How to delete chats on Character AI. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can delete or remove chats on Character AI. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So for now, you can either open up the Character AI application or you can simply log in via the browser using their websites. So once you are logged into your account, now head towards your chat. And from here, select the chat that you want to delete. For example, I have this conversation right here. Now from your chats, you have to select the chat that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this chat right here. So what you can do is click on this three dot icon next to this, and you will have this menu box pop up in your interface. There you will have an option as remove message. Click on it. And now confirm it by clicking on remove message. And with that, now the chat has been successfully removed. So that's the way to delete chats in Character AI, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.